Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste. This is a short video blog about some of the initiatives that we are taking at Indic Academy. As you know, we have recently completed 5 years, and the second version, the next 5 years, the kind of plans that we had outlined earlier in a short post on Indic Today. One of the things we talked about is reaching out to scholars and discussing with them about their legacy. This initiative is what we call as legacy partnerships. What we have set out to do is reach out to all the scholars who are 60 plus and discuss with them about the kind of legacy that they would like to leave behind. Most scholars, on the assumption that they would be active till the age of 80, they need to start thinking about their legacy in three distinct forms. One is a digital legacy, a legacy in the form of a film, a documentary film, or in the form of talks, or in the form of online courses. Second is a print legacy in the form of books and monographs. And third, and most important legacy is the human legacy. As you know, our entire tradition is about Guru Sishya Parampara, and it is important that all scholars think about leaving their legacy behind in flesh and blood in the form of living tradition. So what we are encouraging all the scholars who are senior is to think of leaving their legacy through disciples who will work under their tutelage and who will have a fellowship from Indic Academy and who will be trained by them, because there is knowledge and there is a unique insight that each of these scholars bring, a unique lens that each of these scholars bring to our knowledge systems. And we would like in 30 years time, 40 years time, when we see a scholar, we would like to think of him or her as a legacy of another venerable scholar that we know of. So we have started this journey of reaching out to scholars that we already know and we have worked with in the past, and we are talking to them and asking them to think about the legacy in these three distinct forms of digital, print, and human legacy. We would like, as Indic Academy, we would like to partner with them and help them leave a fantastic legacy behind, so that when they are 80 and they look back at their life and their body of work that they have achieved, there is no shortcoming, there is no unfulfilled quest, and all the resources, at least for the lack of resources. So all the resources that a scholar requires for fulfilling that quest, Indic Academy is willing to support, and we call this initiative as legacy partnership, because it's a partnership we would like to think of when we are talking to these venerable scholars. As a corollary to this initiative, we have also started a series called Retrospective Prospective. We have recently conducted one of such event with Sri Balagangadhara ji, and this series is again to look at the entire body of work that the scholar has achieved and sort of synthesize that into a half-a-day event, which is split into two parts. One is the retrospective, which is looking back at the work that he or she has done, and then one session which focuses on the research projects that he or she is currently working on. The idea of this kind of a webinar series is that oftentimes they have spent their entire lives, dedicated their entire lives writing so many books, developing so many theories, and it's always a good time to take a step back and reflect on what has been achieved and what is yet to be done. Even from our point of view, who are following the scholars' work, it's important to sort of get a 30,000 feet view of the entire body of work that he or she has done, and also to understand what is the unfinished work that is still there. One important outcome of these webinars is, and the reason why I'm recording this video blog, is that whoever is seeing this, to please register for these webinars, and if that particular scholar strikes a chord in you, and the kind of work that you want to pursue, and you want to work under the tutelage of that scholar, please do reach out to us, and we would will be so happy to connect both of you. And who knows, you would be that human legacy that scholar would leave for all of us. So this is our appeal, and on behalf of Indic Academy, we are very excited. We have a series of such webinars planned. We are doing one with Vishwa Adluri and Joydeep Bagchi this month. We have also planned one with Michel Danino ji next month. Then we have planned one with Meenakshi Jain ji in July. So we are talking to several scholars whom we have already know and who we worked with in the past, and who we believe needs to be partnered with for under this scheme of legacy partnerships. And but if you are a scholar, if you are 60 plus, if you're a scholar and you want to start thinking about your legacy and you have certain things, please do reach out to us and write to us. And if you're a student who wants to connect with any other scholar, please do reach out to us. Thank you very much. Namaste.